What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we're going to do some more video editing. I'm in the process of video editing Kentucky Route Zero, a playthrough I did on Twitch. So we're just creating VODs to move over onto YouTube. This one here got a little weird. Kentucky Route Zero Part 2. Why is 4 before 3? Refresh. Oh, because it says 4, not Part 4. All right, there we go. There we go. Select that folder. Part 4. Part 5. I say part 4, it's not really part 4. Part 4, 3 and 4 actually were so short that I put them together. So we're on part 5 here. We're going to go ahead and drag that down into the project. It's a 4-hour video, 3.5. And then we will go to video editing, the 1B, YouTube end screen. Go ahead and drag this in. Go ahead and right click, delete tracks. We want all of those gone, all those empty ones. Oh no, my ear itches. Sorry about that. Looks like I had some audio issues. Let's play some Kentucky Route Zero. Let's knock this out today. Been kind of stuck on this game for a little. We'll clip there. Shift Delete removes that. The clip is Control K. It's actually called Add Edit. I call it Split just because that's what you use in After Effects, and I was using After Effects more than I was using Adobe Premiere Pro. All right. This is 3 hours, remember. So at 1 hour, still generating peaks. It does radiate. Let me see here. Let me look at this. Okay. What are you doing? It does radiate. Let me see here. All right, we want to cut that. It does radiate right after that. Radiates. It radiates. It does radiate. Right here. Let me see here. It does radiate. Let me see here. It helps. This is good. This is perfect. This helps. Shift Delete. We're looking for that 1 hour point. It's 3.5 hours, maybe even a 45-minute break somewhere here.
What's left of it? Pretty busted. Is that the end? Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hold on.
We had so many breaks in this one.
What's left of it? Pretty busted. Huh. Pretty busted. What's left of it? Pretty busted.
Okay, so we're actually going to want to drag this over to the right. This will be section 1. Can I change the colors of these? A label. We're going to call those green. Those are ready to go. Shoot. Let's go ahead and drag it in. So this is about 102, so we want to break it up. This is BRB, lovely.
Okay, we're supposed to type dome in air. Sand dune. Let me use the restroom before. All right. Let's knock the rest of this out. Lula.
We're just scrubbing through, trying to find that next break. I think it's going to be here. Nope, I was still, even though I was muted, I was still playing. So this is at 205.
Cactus. Antlers. Scarecrow. We've been through some of this. I think we're coming up on it.
Right here's a break. And then that's 202. Let's go to the end here. Of course there's nonsense in the middle.
Act 4, Scene 1. The Mucky Mammoth. Alright, I think I need another break. Let me see, There we go. How's it going? I was just thinking about having a snack, but I don't know if we have any food. I would say it's good. I mean, I'm not particularly tired right now, but it is. I think. We're about 2 hours and 10 minutes in. All right. Oh, I'm tired. That's the end. Okay. We have 3 episodes. This one goes until 3:15, 3:13, and then this one goes to 2:04. This one goes till 1:01. So this is about an hour and 1. This is about an hour and 3. And then this is about an hour and 9. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to drag this over. And drag this one over. I want to increase the audio on these. Oops. But they're pretty loud already. It's like Crayano Coal. I feel like the audio is at really good levels here. Maybe I should just boost them slightly. What do you think? Let's do the 15 on it and see what it does. Let's see how it sounds. Been kind of stuck on this game for. It's a little loud. We'll rock the. How about a 10? Been kind of stuck on this game for a little bit. I've been falling asleep a lot. All right, I don't mind the 10, so let's go ahead and hit that on these. Because remember, I always want the opportunity for you to turn it down, which is more important than not being able to turn me up. Because if you can't hear me and you can't turn me up, then you're not gonna give a shit. You're just gonna move on, and it's not gonna be enjoyable. So we scaled that to frame size. Then I'm going to go ahead and Control C it. Bring it down over here, Control V it. We're going to zoom in just a little bit so I can connect that. Then we're going to go back up here, come over at the end here. I'm going to Control V that, and we're going to drag that in. So now we have our 3 parts. This is 3 episodes. We have currently 5. So we're going to hit I for in, because these are sequences. These are each a video of themselves. So we want it to render as individual parts. Excuse me. We're going to hit that O. It always has an empty frame at the end. I don't want that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit that Control S for save. We're going to hit that Control M to bring up export settings. And see down here it says sequence in and out. Part 4, it's really part 5. Episode 6.
Save. Cue it. Hold on, give me 1 second. Dang it. You know.
Is that the size you want it?
I
The
didn't even
frames.
look. I didn't look. Yep, those are perfect. 8 by 10. Okay. It's out. We'll hit that Control S to save again. I always do that just in case there's an issue. This will be episode 7. Save. Q. Come back in here. It's an in. It's I for in. O. Just remember to remove that empty frame. Control S to save. Control M for export settings. Make sure we're in the right spot. I think we are. This is episode 8. Save it. Cue it. We'll have these 3 to go. And I don't know how long this is going to take. Probably 20 minutes a piece. I think the last one I tried was 17 minutes. So you figure about 20 a piece. It's about to be an hour of rendering. During that time, I'm going to be setting up some of the files on YouTube so that the previous episodes are ready to go. And so while I encode and render, that's this button here, hopefully you will go and watch some of my other YouTube videos. And I will talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.